Hi, this is Mark with Enviroguard, and today we're going to talk about the new React Extract Starter Kits. The React Extract Starter Kit can be used for two purposes. First, if you've never done React Extract before and you want to make it a part of everything that you're doing, but maybe you're not ready to commit to the full BTM system, these are a great, inexpensive way for you to get started with a high-quality product. The second thing is, even if you already have a BTM sprayer, these are great for small jobs. As compared to a disposable sprayer, you can replace the tips depending upon how much flow and how wide the fan width you need. All that you need to do is unthread the retaining nut right here. You pop your tip out like that. It's going to have a Viton seal on the back of it, and then you pop your next tip back in. So whether you've worn out a tip, or whether you need a new seal on there, or you just want a bigger or smaller tip, it's super easy and customizable for you. You've probably also noticed that we provide labeling on the pump sprayers as soon as you get them. This one has OxyPrep on it, that one has OxyPar on it, to make it easy and not confusing for your guys in the field. One of the other great things about this is, I'm sure you've had the experience before of pumping up a sprayer and it going kind of all over the place on you. Well, with this, you simply step right on this pedal right here, and it keeps the sprayer from moving around when you're pumping it. Makes it a lot easier for the guys in the field. Another great convenience of the React Extract pump sprayers is that when you're finished using them, you can simply nest it right here, and this is a great little catch for you so you don't make a mess wherever you're working. In addition to those conveniences, you're going to have a pressure relief valve so that as soon as you're finished a job, you can relieve the pressure, or this also prevents too much pressure from building in the unit. Every React Extract Starter Kit not only comes with the sprayers that you need, but also the product you need. It's going to come with 2 cases of OxyPrep and 1 case of OxyPar. That's enough product to do 1,500 square feet on a job. We know how important mold stain removal is to you and your customers, so we've designed OxyPrep to remove mold staining in 10 to 15 seconds. In addition to that, we've manufactured OxyPar to react directly with OxyPrep and to pull all the soil load, the mold and everything else that's in the surface, directly to the surface so that you can vacuum extract it. Unlike other systems that only prioritize stain removal, OxyPrep removes the stain, and then OxyPar neutralizes the OxyPrep to loosen, lift, and suspend the soil load from the surface. That means no scrubbing or wiping for your technicians, saving you time and dollars, and the mold simply gets extracted away. Ordering the React Extract Starter Kit's easy. Simply go to EnviroguardDirect.com or call us at 828-548-3900.